package. I received also. I bought it for 1050 through Trustified website. I just got this now. This have a small damage here. You can see here also something small damage. Except that everything looks okay. But the package is lot of molds. Let's open it and check. Is everything okay? This is a 1 kg pack. You can see it looks okay. It contains whey protein concentrate plus isolate, and it also contains creatine. That's why I bought it for less amount. Like 1050, you're getting 1 kg protein. Includes like creatine, which is helpful for bodybuilding and performance. You can see the ingredients list. Like whey protein blend, whey protein concentrate, whey protein extract, and these solids. You can just check. Looks good. The packaging, let's check inside.